The elephant learns a lesson. In a jungle, there lived a huge elephant who destroyed anything that came in his path, may it be plants or small animals or birds. Everyone was scared of him. Then a fox came up with a brilliant idea to teach him a lesson. So, as per the plan, he went to the elephant and said, "We have decided to crown you the king." The elephant was very happy. The fox continued, "Follow me. I will take you there." So, the elephant followed the fox. The fox led him through a swamp. He crossed the swamp quickly, but the heavy elephant got stuck. He started sinking and called for help. But the fox shouted, "This is your fate. You have killed several innocent beings." The elephant said, "Please forgive me. I will never destroy anyone again." The fox realized that the elephant was serious. He called other animals and rescued the elephant.